TAN. Registration, a complete guide for businesses and individuals. TAN, or Tax Deduction and Collection Account Number, is a 10-digit alphanumeric code issued by India's Income Tax Department. It's essential for businesses and individuals who deduct or collect tax at source, ensuring compliance with tax regulations. Employers deducting TDS on salaries, businesses handling contractor payments, rent or professional fees, banks on interest payments, and companies collecting TCS on sales must apply for TAN. However, freelancers and salaried employees not deducting TDS do not need it. To register for TAN, you'll need a PAN card, business registration documents, address proof like Aadhaar or passport, authorized signatory details, and a valid email ID and phone number. Start by visiting the NSDL eGov portal, select Apply for TAN, and fill out Form 49B. Pay the RIS 65 fee, submit the application, and receive a 14-digit acknowledgement number. TAN is issued within 7-10 working days. Without TAN, you face a RS 10,000 penalty, cannot file TDS returns, and risk legal action for non-compliance. It's crucial for smooth business operations. Ensure correct PAN details, choose the right deductor type, submit physical acknowledgement, and never use PAN instead of TAN for TDS payments to avoid penalties. TAN registration is vital for businesses deducting TDS, TCS. Timely registration and compliance prevent penalties and ensure seamless operations. Need assistance? Our experts are here to help with TAN registration and tax compliance. Visit view.daakhilnow.com. Contact us 825-267-079